Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Natasha. Welcome to Natasha Styles. And if you're returning and been supporting me since from day one, thank you for the love and support. And in today's video, I am going to be doing a get ready with me, and I'm going to show you this gorgeous outfit. This might come out after I've done my ZARA haul or before, I'm not sure. I think whenever I edit the video, then you'll get to see them. And don't forget to give this video a like, also subscribe and hit the notification bell, and make sure you click all, so when I post a video you won't miss out. Let's just get into the video right now. And Elemis is one of the UK luxury and leading skincare spa brand. I received these for Christmas and I've always wanted to try them, but every time I look on the website they're very expensive. But I did receive them for Christmas, and then I found out where you can get them at probably at an affordable price. You can get them from off QVC. So when you get them from QVC, they normally come like this. So you get 8 different products that you can use. You've got the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, which is the #1. You get in 50 gram. And this, you know, if you want to remove your makeup, this is what you would use like at the end of the day when you're using this. You also get the Pro Collagen Marine Cleanser, and this comes in a 75 ml. This leaves my skin really soft after I finish washing it. It doesn't feel dry out or anything, it just feels really soft and it doesn't burn my eyes. This is perfect for me using. And also you get the Soothing Apricot Toner. This comes in a 200 ml, but I tend to forget to use, and sometimes I miss out the step. So I'm trying to look after my skin and take better care of it. You also get the Pro Collagen Marine Oil, and this you just apply a few drops onto your skin, you know, when you're doing your skincare in the morning or in the evening. Depends on if you like to apply oils to your skin. I normally tend to. I never used to, but as I'm starting to get older, I am learning to look after my skin. And you also get the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. This leaves my skin feeling soft, looking like, you know, moisturized, doesn't dry or anything. This face cream is one of the best face cream I've ever used. I'm not being biased, but like I mentioned, it's on a little bit on the expensive side. To get the cream on its own, I think it's just £90, but if you get the set from QVC, they normally have at a discount price, so at least that's not so bad, and at least you get to try like the other products from Elemis. Also get the lime and ginger bath and shower milk. This, when you use this, you smell lovely and your skin is soft and you just enjoy using it. Get the lime and ginger velvet body butter, and this is just, you know, just to moisturize. And if you like lime and ginger, you're definitely gonna love wearing this on your body. And the final product that you got from Elemis is the lime and ginger hand and nail balm. I tend to use this quite often just to keep my hands feeling really soft. And you also get like the Elemis bag, this pouch, just to keep all the products inside of it. It feels a little bit like velvet, but it's not real velvet, it just feels like that. But you can get it in the other scent, but I can't remember which one that was. That was the one I got for Christmas. I simply love using Elemis products. Since I've used them, I am sold. I can't go back to using other skincare because I know what the Elemis products does to my skin and how it makes my skin feels and how it makes my skin look. Now I'm gonna get in and show you like my makeup that I've been using. I'm gonna do like a simple summer makeup get ready with me. Before I do my makeup, this is the step that I normally would try and do. So I would use the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner, and when I apply the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, I normally apply this much on my finger, so that much. I don't want to get it under my nails, so I just put a little bit. I think I put a little bit too much on. Normally you just need a little bit just to last you a long time. Now I'm going to apply a few drops of the oil onto my face. My sunscreen, this is what I'm using. I am using the La Roche-Posay sunscreen, and this is very light on the face. It doesn't leave my face looking like a ghost. It doesn't leave any white mark or anything. You apply a few drops of this onto your face and you're good to go. And it's like factor 50, and I love using it. I love that it's light and not heavy or anything. With my Fenty Beauty primer, it's almost finished. I need to get a new one. And I'm just gonna apply that much onto my skin. I find using the Fenty Beauty primer onto my face, it just makes my makeup last so much longer. So I got this soap brow. This is from, I got this from Look Fantastic, and it's a tinted brow soap, and it comes like with this bamboo brush. And I think you're supposed to buy a product to mix with it. I just normally just use water and it does the same thing, I think. I just apply a little bit of water just to it. So this is all wet now, so I'm just gonna apply this to my eyebrows. I really like the way that this comes out looking. Before I used to do my eyebrows really thin, and then now I've just completely changed the way that it looks. Foundation I normally use is the Chanel Ultra Le Tint. I've been using this since December, and I found like with this foundation I don't need to use a lot. I only need like 2 pumps and I'm good to go. For concealer, I normally use a Dio Forever Skin Correct. Do a little bit of contouring. I don't do a lot. I normally use the Fenty Beauty Ebony Matchstick. This lasts you a really long time. And I just normally do like an upward movement. But this you don't need a lot. And now I'm just gonna apply my Sacha Buttercup setting powder onto it, under my eyes. What I normally do, I normally use this color. It looks like a reddish brown color. It's almost finished, but I normally use that, and I'm just gonna go in and just line it. So as you can see, I am not a professional makeup, but you see it looks like it's got like a cat eye, you know, it gives it that line. Yeah, so I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I try doing my own thing. So I normally use like the light pink from the Huda Beauty. This comes like in a nude rich, so it has like loads of beautiful colors, and these are the colors that you get with it. So I'm gonna use the pink and this like sparkly bronze pink next to it. Now I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna apply this gorgeous pink sparkle. Look like a summer look it is, because I'm gonna go back in now with the pink and I'm gonna blend it all out now with the crease brush. Just because I want the brown to show a little bit more. And now I'm gonna apply a little bit of bronzer to my cheek and to my forehead. I don't use highlighter anymore because I don't know, just not feeling it. The bronzer I'm using, it's a Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. Rihanna, she's done really well. And now the final thing that I do for my face, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of blush. So the blush that I use, this is the Lancome, and it's Rouge in Love. It looks very bright, but I love it because when you put it on, it doesn't show. I'm just gonna go with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this under my eyes just to remove the setting powder that I did put on. So my lips, I'm gonna apply a little bit of Vaseline. I know I'm just using that because I don't want it to get stuck under my nails. I'm wanting more of a nude lip, so I'm gonna apply the YSL. This is like pink shade, and I'm gonna apply this on the inside. And then I'm gonna apply a bit of the Fenty Glow Bomb. This is the Fussy, and I'm gonna apply this on the inside of my lips. And if you want something to line your lips and you don't have like a lip liner or anything, use the Fenty Beauty Match Stick. And then all you have to do is just make sure you wipe it off, get rid of any lipstick on it. And that's what I do. See? So I know I'm gonna apply my Chanel. I'm gonna apply this. This is a game changer. So I don't wear fake eyelashes. I love my eyelash looking natural, but I like putting a little bit of mascara. And the Chanel mascara, when I apply it to my eyes, you're gonna see the difference in it. So this was a full makeup look. It's simple. It's just like an everyday simple makeup look that I would wear. I just want a little bit more pink on my lips. So I'm gonna apply this Max Factor color. Let's see if this pops a little bit more. So I don't use setting spray. I don't know why, I just don't. So I'm just gonna apply the makeup refreshing spray. This is the Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this to my face. And I just leave it to dry, and then that's it. That's all I do. Simple as that. And now that I've done my full face of makeup, I am wearing this gorgeous outfit. Most of it is from ZARA. My shoes and bag, my shoes are from Asos, and my bag is from River Island. I think that this is just like a very summer, a vibrant color for you to wear. And I absolutely love the look. I think that the makeup look came out the way that I wanted it to. Simple but yet sophisticated. This outfit, you can wear it into the office, you know, or you can wear it out, just remove your blazer and go out for drinks later. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.